Hey auto good fans, and welcome back. Today, we're immersed in the epitome of Italian elegance, redefined for the electric age. This is the Maserati GranTurismo Folgore, a car that carries the illustrious heritage of Maserati's Grand Tours into a zero-emission future. Let's start with its timeless design. The GranTurismo Folgore maintains the classic, flowing lines of its combustion engine siblings, ensuring it's instantly recognizable as a Maserati. It measures 4,960 millimeters in length, 1,957 millimeters in width, or 2,113 millimeters including mirrors, and 1,375 millimeters in height, with a generous wheelbase of 2.9 its sleek silhouette and balanced proportions are a testament to Maserati's design philosophy, embodying both power and grace. The exterior features subtle hints of its electric nature, such as specific copper accents on the trident badges and blue illuminated side vents, setting it apart from its Nettuno V6 counterparts. Despite being electric, Maserati has focused on keeping its weight competitive for a Grand Tourer, with a curb weight of approximately 2,335 kilograms. It is powered by three 300 kilowatts electric motors, one at the front axle and two at the rear. This configuration enables a sophisticated all-wheel drive system with advanced torque vectoring. The combined output of these three permanent magnet motors is a staggering 761 horsepower or 560 kilowatts and a colossal 1,350 newton-meters of torque. This powertrain is a pure electric setup, paired with a single-speed automatic transmission. The performance figures are nothing short of breathtaking for an electric Grand Tourer. The GranTurismo Folgore can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in an astonishing 2.7 seconds. It continues its relentless acceleration, reaching 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in just 8.8 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 325 kilometers per hour, 202 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest electric cars in the world, capable of true high-speed grand touring. Powering this performance is a substantial 92.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack with a usable capacity of approximately 83 kWh. This battery is uniquely packaged in a T-bone shape, stretching down the central tunnel and under the rear seats. The battery provides an estimated WLTP range of up to 450 kilometers, approximately 280 miles, offering ample range for Grand Tour. When it comes to charging, the Folgore is a leader, capable of DC fast charging at up to 270 kilowatts. This means it can add 100 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, or charge from 20% to 80% in as little as 18 minutes. Braking is handled by high-performance Brembo brakes, featuring 380 millimeters front discs with 6-piston calipers and 350 millimeters rear discs with 4-piston calipers, providing robust stopping power. The car rides on specific 20-inch front 265 35ths or 20 and 21-inch rear 295 30ths or 1 alloy wheels, shod with performance tires for optimal road contact. Inside, the cabin is a luxurious, modern interpretation of a classic Grand Tourer. It seats for occupants in sumptuous comfort, with power-adjustable, heated and ventilated seats. The interior is a feast of high-quality materials, including premium leather, Alcantara, and sustainable materials like Econil, made from recycled nylon. Technology is seamlessly integrated. A large 12.3-inch central infotainment touchscreen is paired with a separate 8.8-inch comfort display below it. And now, to answer the burning question, what does it sound like? While it doesn't have a roaring V8 or a screaming V12, Maserati has meticulously crafted a unique, synthesized acoustic signature for the Folgore. The Maserati GranTurismo Folgore is more than just an electric car, it's an elegant, powerful, and technologically advanced Grand Tourer that respects its heritage while embracing the future.